Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Yesterday I got a squishy packaging and it came with this. So today I'm going to show you all our squishies. So the first squishy I'm going to be showing you is this one, and it's really slow rising. The next squishy, and it smells like bread, and it does that, and it's slow rising. So the next squishy I have is a panda bun, and it's slow rising. And it's a mini panda bun, and it's yellow. So the next squishy is also slow rising. So this squishy is this giant strawberry. And it's an iron squishy, and it's in a packaging. Now we're gonna take it out of the packaging so you can see it much better. Out of the packaging, and it's so soft. Okay, so this is how it rises. So the last squishy is this giant peach. And this is the Repro. And this is all the squishies that I got yesterday. So bye guys, and comment down below what's your favourite. And my favourite was this one. And bye, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like it and subscribe. Bye.